My name is Icky, spelled I-K-I forward, spelled I-K-I backwards. Say it again. I'm Tongan, and a few of you here might know a little bit about Tongans. How many of you actually have ever met a Tongan? This side of the room, please meet this side of the room later. So I'm Tongan. I want to teach you a little bit of Tongan. You know, I caught this cheers thing, and good eye, right? No one ever says that anymore, right? Just me. All right. I'm going to teach you a little Tongan. This is how we say, this is our cue. This is how we say hello. We say, Malo lele. All right, let's try that again. Malo lele. All right, that's like our official hello. That's our greeting. When you see a Tongan, don't be afraid, walk up. I know they're kind of big. Just walk up anyway and say, Malo lele.
Malo lele.
All right, that's good, that's good. All right, I'm going to teach you one more thing. And this goes like this. Oh my. After me, repeat after me. Oh my. Ha'aku. Silili.